Morning, Tom.
Morning, Emma.
You look busy, but also a little lost.
That's a good way to describe it. I just opened my fridge.
Uh-oh. Let me guess.
Yeah, it's empty again.
Empty?
Almost. No fruit, no bread, no vegetables, just a bottle of water and some old sauce.
Okay, that fridge needs help.
I know. I was thinking about ordering food.
And?
And then I thought, maybe not today.
Why not?
I don't know. I don't want food to just arrive at my door. I want to go out.
That sounds like a market day.
You read my mind. The local market.
Perfect. It's close, and we can fix that fridge in one trip.
You say that like it's easy.
It is easy. You just don't think it is.
Markets are a lot. People, noise, so many stalls.
That's the fun part.
For you,
For us. Come on, first thing, do you have a bag?
a bag?
Yes, a bag. You don't want to carry everything in your hands.
Right. Okay, I'll grab one.
And cash.
Oh, cash. I almost forgot.
See, this is why you don't go alone.
Fair point.
So what do we need?
Fruit. Definitely fruit.
Good start.
Bread. Maybe vegetables too.
We'll see what looks fresh.
How do you know what's fresh?
You look, you smell, you watch what other people buy.
That already sounds like a lot of work.
It's not work, it's part of the walk.
Part of the walk. Okay.
The market should be busy this time of day.
Busy or just normal busy?
Normal busy. Crowded, but friendly.
I hope so.
Relax. Vendors there are used to everyone. Fast buyers, slow buyers, confused buyers.
I might be the confused one.
Then you'll fit right in.
All right. Shoes on, bag ready, cash in my pocket.
Look at you, prepared.
Don't get used to it.
One step at a time.
You know, I walk past the market all the time.
And today, you're finally going in.
Yeah, first day.
First days are always interesting.
That sounds a little dangerous.
No danger, just stories.
Stories I hope end with food.
Trust me, we will not leave hungry.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, the market is waiting.
Part 2. Inside the market.
Okay, here we are.
Wow, it's busier than I thought.
Yeah, but look, no one is rushing you. Just stay close.
I'll try. There are people everywhere.
That's normal. This is a local market, not a supermarket.
I see so many stalls.
Fruit stalls, vegetable stalls, and over there, bread.
Oh, I smell bread already.
Fresh bread, warm bread. That smell always pulls people in.
Including me.
Let's walk one round first.
One round?
Yes, you don't buy the first thing you see.
You sound very confident.
I've made mistakes before. Trust me.
Okay, I'm following you.
Good. And watch how people move.
They all seem to know where to go.
They do. Look, see that vendor? He's fast.
Yeah, he's weighing fruit and talking at the same time.
That's experience.
This place is crowded, but it feels friendly.
That's a good word for it. Crowded, but not stressful.
I hear people laughing.
And talking about prices, and food, and life.
Oh, what are those?
Tomatoes. Very red. Probably ripe.
How do you know they're ripe?
Color helps, and people keep buying them.
I see. Everyone has a basket or a bag.
Exactly. That's another sign.
The smells are everywhere.
Street food, fruit, bread, all mixed together.
It's making me more hungry.
Good. That means we're in the right place.
Should we stop here?
Not yet. Just look.
Okay, I'll just look.
Look at that line over there.
A queue?
Yeah, when people wait, it usually means something is good.
Or very cheap?
Or both.
I feel like I'm walking slower than usual.
That's normal here. The market decides the speed.
I kind of like it.
Me too.
Some vendors are calling out to people.
They're trying to get attention. You don't have to stop.
Good to know.
Just smile and keep walking.
I'm starting to understand how this works.
See? You're learning without trying.
I still don't know where to stand.
We'll figure it out when we stop.
Okay. I think I'm ready now.
Ready for what?
Ready to buy something.
All right, let's find a fruit stall.
One that looks calm.
I know just the one.
Part 3. At the fruit stall.
Okay, this one looks good.
This stall?
Yeah, see? Not too crowded. And the fruit looks fresh.
I like that it's quiet.
Quiet is good for your first stop.
The vendor looks busy, but not rushed.
Exactly. That's what we want.
All right. I'm standing here. What do I do now?
First, look. Don't talk yet.
Okay. I see bananas, apples, oranges.
Good. What do you feel like eating?
Honestly, bananas. They're easy.
Good choice.
Should I pick them up?
Yes, but slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, like you know what you're doing.
I don't, but okay. I'm holding one banana.
Check the color.
Yellow, with a few brown spots.
That's fine. They're ripe.
Ripe means ready to eat, right?
Exactly.
How many should I get?
Let's say 1 kilo.
1 kilo. Okay.
You can just say it simply.
Hello. 1 kilo of bananas, please.
Nice and clear.
He's taking the bananas now.
Watch, he's putting them on the scale.
I see the numbers moving.
That's the weight.
He's adjusting them.
He wants it to be right.
He's careful.
That's a good sign.
Okay, he's done.
He's putting them into a plastic bag.
The bag looks a little thin.
It's fine for fruit. Just don't swing it too much.
Noted. He's saying something.
He's telling the price.
Oh, he said it fast.
That's normal.
I think I understood. Maybe.
It's okay. You'll pay and see.
I'm taking out my cash.
Good. Keep it ready.
There are people behind us now.
Yeah, that's the line.
I hope I'm standing in the right place.
You are. Relax.
I'm a little nervous.
That's normal too. Everyone is watching their own bag, not you.
That helps. Okay, I'm giving him the money.
Good. Now wait.
He's looking at it.
Mm-hmm.
He's reaching for the bag.
And?
He's handing it to me.
There you go. First buy at the market.
I did it!
You did, and nothing went wrong.
Yet.
Yet. Okay, first buy done. Let's move a little.
Yeah, I'll step to the side.
Careful with the bag.
I got it. Emma, wait.
What's wrong?
This bag feels strange.
Strange how?
It feels heavier than before.
Let me see.
Here,
What did we buy again?
bananas, 1 kilo.
Right.
But look inside.
Oh,
That's not bananas.
those are tomatoes.
Yeah, red ones. Big ones.
Okay, that's not our bag.
Oh no.
Relax. This happens.
Did I take someone else's bag?
Probably. Or someone took yours.
I didn't mean to.
I know. It's a market. Things move fast.
What do we do now?
We go back to the stall.
Right now?
Yes, right now.
Okay. I feel everyone is looking at me.
They're not. Everyone is looking at their own bags.
I hope so.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Sorry, wrong bag.
We bought bananas.
He's looking at the bag.
He's smiling. That's good.
He's saying something.
He's asking what we bought.
Bananas, 1 kilo.
Yes, bananas.
He's checking the stall.
Look, there's another bag there.
That one looks light.
That's it.
He's lifting it.
He's opening it.
Bananas.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
See? Easy fix.
He's giving me the right bag now.
Take it. Check it.
Yep, bananas. Yellow ones.
Perfect.
What about this bag?
He'll give it to the right person.
Okay, I was worried for a second.
I know. First market trip always has one moment like this.
Really?
Really, it's almost a rule.
The vendor is laughing.
He's seen this many times.
I'm saying thank you.
Say it again.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's enough.
Better too many than none.
All right, bag check done.
Lesson learned.
Always check the bag.
Always check the bag.
Ready to keep going?
Yeah, I feel better now.
Good. Next stop?
Bread.
Of course, bread.
Part 5. Leaving the market.
Okay, crisis over.
Yeah, I can breathe again.
You survived your first market mistake.
Barely.
All right, last stop.
Bread?
Bread. We can't go home without bread.
After all this, I agree.
This bread stall looks good.
It smells amazing.
Warm bread always wins.
Look at that line.
Short queue. That's fine.
Do I need to say anything special?
No, just point. And listen.
I can do that. Okay. I want that one.
The round one?
Yeah, it looks soft.
Good choice.
He's asking something.
He's asking how many.
Just one.
One is enough for today.
He's putting it in a paper bag.
Better than plastic.
I like that. He's telling the price.
Did you hear it?
Yes, slowly this time.
Nice.
I'm paying with cash.
And?
He's giving me the change.
Count it quickly.
Looks right. Oh, he's giving me something.
That's the receipt.
A receipt at a market.
Some stalls have it, some don't.
I'll keep it.
Bread in the bag. Fruit in the bag.
Both bags checked.
Good habit now.
I think we're done.
Yeah, that's a good market trip.
Not too long, not too short.
And you didn't get lost.
Thanks to you.
Let's head out.
Okay, it feels quieter near the exit.
Markets are always loud in the middle.
I hear less talking now.
And more footsteps.
I'm glad we came.
Me too.
I learned a lot today.
Without trying too hard.
Exactly.
So, would you come again?
Yeah, I think so.
Next time, you lead.
Let's not rush that idea. But next time, I won't forget the bag.
And you'll check it.
Always check the bag.
All right, let's go home.
Home, food, coffee.
Finally.
Best part of the trip.
Until the next market day.
Yeah, until next time.